Hello friends, welcome to testingshala YouTube channel. So in this video, I will be covering more on which are those top 10 IT companies, which are those top 10 IT companies in India. Especially this video would be very useful who are trying to enter into the software industry and they would like to understand which are those best IT companies in India. So you all know, so India is one of the top or best hub in IT. IT sector is a IT in IT. India is dominating well, right? So let us understand which are those 10 companies. Especially, this is more on service-based industry, IT services-based industry. The number one company is TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. So basically, they provide consulting, they provide services, they provide business solutions to the other bigger organizations. It is having almost around more than 4 lakh employees in India, and TCS is also been spread across India, across various geography in India, across various cities in India, and it is one of the best and top IT companies in India. Number two IT company is Infosys. So Infosys has also been started around 1980s, right? And Infosys also started in 1980s by Narayan Murthy. Infosys also in global consulting and they provide a lot of consulting services across the globe. And Infosys is also having around more than 2 lakhs of employees in the organization. The third top IT companies in India is HCL. HCL is a third top IT company in India, and this is also one of the best rated company, and it is more of HR friendly company, and it gives lot of privileges, preferences, things to the employees. Their preference is the employee is the first preference they would be given in this company. The fourth company in India is Wipro Limited. This company is also about global business consulting. This is also providing a lot of business consulting support and as well as service-based industry across India and as well as globe. More than 1.5 lakhs employees in Wipro. Fifth company is Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra works on top-notch companies and it works on enabling enterprises and it works on a lot of technologies. Tech Mahindra works on a lot of technologies, again consulting and services across the globe. It is also having employees of more than a lakh across the globe. Sixth is Larsen and Turbo, which is L&T. Basically, L&T is more of a consulting firm, having various clients across the globe. The seventh top IT company is Emphasis. So it works in global banks, insurance, mortgage. So these are the some of the critical area which Emphasis works on, and it is also having around more than 20,000 employees in that company. Eighth top company is Mindtree. Mindtree again, it's a consulting firm, consulting and services company, and it is also spread across the globe. And the Mindtree is also acquired by now L&T. It is also having around 20,000 employees across the globe. Ninth is Exaware Technologies, and it also comes with IT, BPO, and consulting services. 10th top companies in India is Capgemini. Capgemini is also having more than a lakh employees, and it also works on various technologies, various business consulting and services area in India. I am hoping you guys clearly got an idea which are those top 10 IT companies in India. I'm hoping this video was very useful for you. If you guys like it, please click on like button. If you guys are not subscribed to our channel, then please click on subscribe and bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.